friends, how are you? I hope you're fine today. So today I'm gonna draw a drop of water, okay? Because I sometimes feel too much thirsty and I sweating too much these days. I don't know why, but because of that I drink too much water. So I'm gonna draw a drop of water, and I wish you like it. Okay, Bismillah, let's start. If you want guys to see how can I draw all that, so please go to the channel that I will put it down in the link. I put its link down and follow it. It's learned you how to draw by this program and give you fantastic, beautiful, too much beautiful drawer to draw it. Okay, so don't forget to go with it. Okay, I think I've finished. It looks beautiful. Okay, now let's save it and edit to the spring. Until it's saved. Okay, let's go to day spring now. Oh, okay, just let me log in. Okay, okay, I make login. Now let's start designing. It looks bigger, but it's the same. Okay, let's go now down below to appearance. So I made the last time for women, men for, so this time I'm gonna make for women. This looks beautiful. Okay. Okay, it's half saved. Now let's go into and give it. That's it. No, that's it. Open. Now waiting. That's it. A drop of water. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's make it big and bigger and awesome and bigger. Awesome. Do you know, guys, that I love water too much? Once I didn't eat anything for a whole day, I just drink water. That was awesome, I swear. Okay. Now let's fix the prices. 15, no. 17, yeah, good. Let's make it now here 18. Like right now, let's contain. I'll name it water drop. Okay, name it water drop. Only if you thirsty. Okay, let's publish listing and waiting enter preparing, and now it's made it. It's good. Now that goes Bella's to the Instagram and the YouTube channel. Okay, this is the Instagram. Until now, not much people that come to it, but it's still it still existed, and I still free. So if you, and this is my YouTube channel. Okay, it looks fantastic over here, and this is the start. Hello to my website. Here is the start. I'm waiting for you guys to come to it, and thanks for watching, and salam.